Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover abandoned carts for Woocommerce. If you're running an online store, you know how frustrating it is when customers add items to their cart but leave without completing the purchase. This tutorial will show you how to set up an automated system to bring those customers back and recover those lost sales. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, sign into your WordPress account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your Woocommerce store, as this is where we'll be installing the necessary plugin. After logging in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand to show you additional options from the menu that appears. Click on Add Plugin. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to extend your Woocommerce functionality, and specifically where we'll find the cart abandonment recovery solution. You'll now see the plugins page displaying all available plugins you can add to your Woocommerce account. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in abandoned cart. From the search results that appear, look for the plugin called Cart Abandonment Recovery for Woocommerce. Before installing, click on More Details to view the overview of this plugin. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this will help you make the most of it later. Once you're ready, click Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient and let the process finish. Once the installation is done, you'll see the option change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is active, look back at the left navigation menu and click on Woocommerce. The menu will expand and you'll notice a new option has been added. Click on Cart Abandonment. This is the plugin we just installed, and it's now integrated into your Woocommerce dashboard. From here, you'll be presented with the Abandoned Cart Recovery overview, which gives you a snapshot of your cart abandonment data. Click on Settings from the top side menu. This is where you'll configure how the plugin tracks and recovers abandoned carts. The first thing you need to do is enable the tracking feature. This allows the plugin to monitor when customers add items to their cart but don't complete checkout. Next, set the cutoff time and lost time days. The cutoff time determines how long after a cart is abandoned before it's considered recoverable, and the lost time days define when a cart is considered permanently lost. These settings help you target customers at the right moment. Now click on the Emails tab from the left side menu. Here, you'll need to set the to and from fields for your recovery emails. This ensures customers know who's reaching out to them and makes your emails look professional. For easier tracking and insights, enable recovery report emails as well. This way you'll receive regular updates on how well your abandoned cart recovery is performing. Finally, click on Follow-up Templates. This is where the magic happens, because this is where you'll compose your follow-up emails and SMS messages to recover those abandoned carts. Simply click on Create New Template and start composing your follow-up email. You can personalize the message, add incentives like discounts, and schedule when these emails should be sent out. This automated approach means you can recover sales even while you're sleeping. And that's it. You've now set up a complete abandoned cart recovery system for your Woocommerce store that will automatically reach out to customers and encourage them to complete their purchases. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.